Step 1. Section off the hair into 3 triangles, 1 either side of recession and 2 ear to ear. Step 2. Slick back the side pieces and secure into a clean, tight ponytail. Step 3. Using the waving wand, add volume and texture to the top section. Step 4. Apply gel along the hairline using a tint brush. Step 5. Apply glitter with a tint brush to achieve even distribution. Step 6. Dry in the gel and glitter using the Airshot hairdryer and diffuser. Step 7. Build up the glitter until the required look is achieved. Step 8. Release the top section and brush over the top of the ponytail. Spritz with hairspray for texture and volume.